Hi all, it's me, Jasmine. Today, I'm here to talk about. So basically, guys, it's so hackney to have this in between while you speak, and especially think about that a situation like you are going for an interview or you're about to present a presentation, and in between, all of a sudden, is coming and it's so sure that your presentation will be totally ruined and it will be so awkward to be there, right? But we can deal with this stuff, and first of all, we have to look the reasons behind this ums and ahs, why we are making that kind of sounds in between. Basically, it's like our brain is tricking us. Our brain is trying to find the time to think about the thoughts that we have to speak. To be more specific, at the time when you use your brain is confused what to tell next. You are totally your mind will be frozen. You're totally what to tell next. Yeah, so that's the psychological reason behind this. Samayam, it's like basically your brain is finding time to process the next thought. That's all. Okay, that's a reason, psychological reason behind this ums and ahs. But we can deal with this ums and ahs so cleanly without leaving any crumbs. So let's get into that. So to begin with, the first thing that you can use when you're about to use those ums and ahs in between is to pause. That's all. Pause means when you're confused, ഇനി ഒന്നുമില്ല കയ്യിൽ പറയാൻ, and you feel like you're going to mess up and you feel everything all over the map, then pause. And the next step you have to do is that take a deep breath. Okay, then you have to think what should I tell next? But all this stuff have to be done within milliseconds. You will not get 5 to 6 seconds to do all this, pause, taking deep breath. No, in between, if you're presenting some presentations or if you're sitting for an interview, you will not get 5 to 6 seconds to do all this stuff. It will be so awkward. So only the thing is that you will get milliseconds to do all this stuff, like pause, taking deep breath. Yes, then you have to talk. Or the other thing you can do is that just ask the audience or to whom you're speaking, just ask them, is it okay if I can start over again? Or is it okay, can I please start all the presentation from the beginning? So these things are so good rather than making these sounds in between your presentation, right? And the next thing is that using filler words. It's so good, and I don't know whether you have noticed in my videos, I use like a lot, even though it doesn't make sense in between to use this word, but I use that as my filler word. ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കുമ്പോൾ basically I use, but still I avoid ums and ahs by using this like is my filler word. Okay, so it's basically filler words can be used instead of using ums and ahs. So some of the filler words are so, you can tell so, yeah, or yeah. So these are a set of filler words you can use instead of using this ums and ahs too much. Or you can tell in addition to, furthermore. So when you're telling these set of words, you're getting time, samayam. You're saving time for yourself, and within that milliseconds you have to think, what should I tell next? Yeah, these were the tips that will really help you to avoid the ums and ahs in between your speech. Basically, personally, I have used this a lot because I used to do a lot of prompt speeches. So there can be situations when I feel everything all over the map, feel messed up. But I use these pause, should take a deep breath. Yes, you have got this. Or you can use filler words furthermore, additionally, yeah, so. It's good using these filler words rather than making sounds like ums and ahs in between your presentation. Yeah, that's all about, and I hope this video was really helpful for you all. So like, share and subscribe, and until next video, stay updated. Bye bye.